Hello, friends. I am DK and I welcome you all to this premiere, friends. Friends, today we will be discussing all about swing trading. The biggest challenge in the swing trading is to find the right stocks which are suitable for swing trading. And friends, the fundamentally understanding of the technical analysis is very important to be successful swing trader in a stock market or in financial market. The biggest challenge a swing trader faces is to identify the right stocks which will be suitable for swing trading. So today's topic is very important, where we will be discussing how to pick the best stocks in swing trading. Aspect of, just let me tell you, the swing trading, and this is of course the episode number 0 to Hero 61 in English version. So friends, as a swing trader, just imagine as to what kind of stocks you are searching which are suitable for swing trading. The moment you understand the various technical studies and also understand the what kind of stocks you are searching which is likely to give a better result in terms of swing trading, then friends, what happens that we've used the screener, and screener does what? We have made the videos on screener also. So stock screener will search the stock on the basis of parameters which you have set in. That means you must know the various kind of technical studies and knowledge of technical analysis to effectively use the stock screener. Now, there cannot be just one way of finding a good stocks. There can be multiple way of finding the stocks based on inputs assigned to a particular screener. Of course, we'll be going to the screener today and we'll try to find out the stocks which are suitable for swing trading by using just few parameters. However, these parameters are not the only parameters which can be used in swing trading to identify these stocks, because there are over 8,000 stocks are being traded in the stock market. But we are interested to find the stocks which will help us to improve our winning rates. So friends, the first criteria is stock should be trending, because swing trading can best be done when the market is trending. Whether it is in markup phase or markdown phase doesn't matter. If it is in markup phase, we find the trending stock where we take a long position. When it is in markdown phase, we find the trending stock and encash the opportunity through short selling approach. And then friends, the stock should be having a good momentum. So we have done several studies on momentum indicators as to how we can study the momentum. We have covered RSI, stochastic, force index, parabolic SAR. So any of those can be deployed the moment we understand the very purpose of that indicator and the very parameters of that indicator to be deployed in the stock screener to find out the right stock. And the third most important aspect is the price should not be overextended. The price should be in the value area. So you can take the help of the market structure, but ultimately the moment you identify a good stock, you have to do the in-depth analysis of that particular stock so that you can build around the right trading strategy with proper risk management. So Detailed analysis with multiple confluences have to be done on the price chart ultimately once the screener helps you to identify the stock. Now, for momentum, we will be using in today's example on price chart RSI, that is Relative Strength Index, and stochastic. We will be using these two indicators and given inputs on a stock screener to identify the stock. Then friends, in order to take the help of a trending stock, because we want a stock should be trending, either uptrend or downtrend. So today's example would be limited to uptrending stock only. So we'll take the help of an indicator, moving averages. You know that various analysis we do on this channel, we use EMA 21, EMA 55, and SMA 144, and SMA 233. But in stock screener, the standard moving averages are SMA 20 or EMA 20, SMA 50 or EMA 50, and you can have SMA 200. So these are the standard, default time period of moving averages. So we will be selecting the near ones, and then we will go to the price chart to find the stock screener which has been has done the shortlisting of the stock are suitable for our kind of trading strategy. Can trading strategy be built around those stocks or not, which has been shortlisted? And friends, one can use the multiple combination. I'm just giving an example, an idea to you, so that you can use your knowledge of technical analysis, which you have gained through our playlist Zero to Hero on the channel, through various, multiple videos on that particular playlist on technical analysis or price action analysis. So one can use multiple combination to find suitable stocks for swing trading. It is not just one combination that I am sharing with you today in this particular tutorial. So you can apply your own knowledge to use a stock screener effectively to find out several kind of stocks which are suitable for swing trading. Now friends, the important is we are interested in trending stock. We are interested in a stock having a good momentum. And momentum means, for example, if I take the example of RSI, what we have is done, we have studied so many things in RSI. So all those knowledge can be applied, and some of the master class series which are available for the members on RSI gives a in-depth study that is possible with the use of RSI to check the momentum in the market. And then we are interested to find the stock in the value area. So for these purposes, we will be, friends, will be going now to the price chart. Hello, friends. So friends, subscribe the channel, enable the notification bell so that you are well notified on time for any new videos on this channel. Friends, we have now come up to the TradingView platform. And on a home page, you can see the screener. The moment you take the cursor to the screener, it contains stock screener, forex screener, crypto screener. So we are interested today in stock screener. So I am clicking this stock screener. The moment you click to this stock screener, your screen will see stock screener appearing on the chart. Now you have to customize the stock screener according to studies you want to perform. That is very significant. Default stock screener on any charting software would be may not be suitable for our purpose. And hence, what we have done is, I can show you, I'll just customize. So friends, accordingly, I have customized to keep the minimum possible parameters on the stock screener, which I require for the purpose of swing trading different kind of strategies. So you can see on my screen, this is ST1, means the stock screener I have given ST1, swing trading 1. There can be several type of screeners that you can build around, think around, depending upon the various kind of technical studies which we have learned through Zero to Hero series on this channel. Friends, here you see I have kept it only the last traded price. Then I have kept it EMA 20, EMA 30, EMA 50. EMA 30 I have kept it just to have an understanding about the current trading price with respect to the EMA 30, which is a intervening time period between EMA 20 and EMA 50. And then I have kept it SMA 200 because I want to understand, because you cannot customize the screener to SMA 233. But this gives a broader idea. Ultimately, after the stock has been shortlisted, we will go to the price chart for detailed kind of analysis where we'll find the confluences or not there. The stock screener will only help us to shortlist the stock which are meeting broadly our criteria. So friends, here I have kept it RSI because we have selected RSI as a momentum indicator. Another momentum indicator we have selected is stochastic. So its parameter, that is percentage D and percentage K. So I'm not going to in detail of RSI or percentage K, percentage D of stochastic, for which we have made a very detailed tutorial which are available in the playlist Zero to Hero in Hindi and English section. So I presume that you have a proper understanding of percentage D, percentage K and all those stuffs. So now after I have customized this stock screener according to my need, I will go to the filter. Now the first criteria what we have selected is an RSI. Now imagine the studies of RSI. RSI parameters can be selected in a different fashion. Depending upon you are analyzing the stock in this phase and what you are searching in terms of momentum in the market as of now. Now I am just to guide you, I am selecting RSI, sorry, not average to rate. I am selecting RSI. This is RSI. I am selecting a value in between. Value in between. So this is, so I am selecting RSI in between for the purpose of swing trading. However, earlier video we have discussed about RSI above 60 and RSI below 40. So here I am putting a value 40 to 62. I am putting up value 40 to 62. The purpose of selecting RSI, those who have learned the chapter of RSI must have understood why I have selected 40 and why I have selected 62. I am not going to in a detail of RSI tutorial which is available on the platform Zero to Hero. Now once we have done RSI selection, we go to the moving average aspect of it and fix the parameter on moving average. So I am selecting now exponential moving average 50 and the parameter would be exponential moving average crossing down the LTP. This is my second criteria which will give me the value area and the trending stock. Because we are interested to find a stock which is trending, which has a good momentum. At the same time, it is not overextended. It is not in a overbought situation. So friends, Third criteria, we will select the stochastic. So let us go to the stochastic now. Now in filter, you have stochastic percentage D and stochastic percentage K. Different time period, there are four types of stochastic which is provided in the stock screener. So which can be used based on your knowledge of technical analysis in different fashions on different kind of swing trading strategies. So here I am selecting stochastic D, and what I am selecting is stochastic again between 20 and 40. Now the question here is, why I have selected between 20 or 40? You could have selected in combination in relation to the percentage K and percentage D, which has been discussed in a tutorial series of Zero to Hero. So once I have selected all these parameters, I will close this window and will find the various stocks have been found below is Maruti, Dabur, ICICI General Insurance, Petronet LNG. We can check the EMA 20 value, EMA 30 value, and the criteria which I have selected is reflected in a green color. Criteria which I have selected is selected in the green color, and here I can find the relation of percentage K with respect to the percentage D of a particular stock, which is the value is given here. Now once we have selected these stocks, for example, the first stock which has come on the list is ICICI Maruti, Maruti Suzuki India. So I am just double clicking it and going to the Maruti Suzuki details. Now you can see the Maruti Suzuki detail has come on your chart. It's a financials, its balance sheet, all those stuffs are provided in this platform. So what I do is a Maruti, I go to the full featured chart and click on this. I am clicking the full featured chart, which is now opening. Please bear with me. It's because of the little slow internet speed. It is getting delayed. So Maruti is now on your screen. What we can find, first let us check whatever filter we have applied in stock screener, whether it is in compliance with those filters or parameters or not. First parameter what we deployed was RSI value between 40 to 62, and it is complied by this. You can check it. The RSI value currently is something around 46.6. Now coming back to the moving averages aspect, and it is trending or not, it is making higher highs and higher lows kind of formation, and it is the parameter is confirming to the parameter that we have selected for exponential moving average 50. Now it is more or less EMA 55 on our chart, which is complying with it. Now it is looking suitable kind of stock. This recording is being done when the market is live. However, we'll have to wait till the market is over, or we can use the stock screener when the market is not operating, market has closed, and we are preparing ourselves for the next day. Now coming back to stochastic, we can see that it is a bullish crossover. What we have parameter selected so that the price is not overextended, and with respect to the moving average we can check with respect to the stochastic. So all these parameters have been found applied on the price chart, and such a stock has been shortlisted for further analysis to build a trading strategy for swing trading. Now we can see this stock seems to be ready for an up move. So now the question comes about how to check the number of confluences, as we have made a video on the power of confluences, on which we have said the minimum 4 plus confluences has to be there, rather 3 plus. So 4, 5, 6, that is a choice of an individual trader, but less than 4 confluences may not work in swing trading, where the winning rate will be getting compromised. So friends, if you like this tutorial, give a lot of thumbs up to it, share this video, and friends, I'll be expecting your comments in the comment section of this video. Subscribe the channel, enable the notification bell so that you are well notified on time for upcoming uploads. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to meet you very soon.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our channel.